In this video, we will be learning how to create music. To start, go to Google and search for Ava. Click on the first website and you will see an interface that looks like this. Click on Create an account and enter your email address and password. You will then be redirected to your dashboard. Enter your username and click on Confirm. On the left hand side, you can explore some features and create compositions or folders. Click on Composition and in the Library section, choose from the options available. For instance, you can choose Lo-fi and make necessary adjustments like duration and other settings. Once you are done, click on Generate Profile and your composition will be created. Now you can listen to the music and use it in your videos after getting the premium plan. We hope this helps you create amazing music for your videos. See you in the next videos.